Stop. Stop.
You good?
Yeah. Here we go. Putting the new exhaust on the new Audi TT.
If you know what we mean.
Yeah, it's completely legal in all 50 states. It's like, because we're law-abiding citizens. New exhaust is on. You ready? Okay, rev it up. The door's open, guys. The door. No. We're on the way to the auto parts store.
This is me while editing the video. Just want to clarify that the low reading on the tachometer is not from driving in too high of a gear. The tachometer is just like 1,000 or 1,500 RPM slow.
The top is down, so I don't know how well you guys can hear, but we're getting exhaust parts because we didn't get the right parts. So. I always hit it here.
This is a good road to take this thing on too, because of all the corner. Let's see if we could take this curve at 40. I think this is like 30 or 25. Wow, no problem. Corning is amazing on here. Could have gone even faster if it wasn't like the stupid gravel.
Look at this guy.
Well,
Oh wait, is he gonna stop doing it now that we're recording?
He's got to do it again.
Dude, look at
Oh, yeah.
one wheel is like big and one wheel's like not.
It's like the smartest Idaho resident right here. But yeah, look, he's going in the middle of the road.
Dude, he was doing it like crazy though.
Yeah, he was like literally like straddling the yellow line and just like being in the very center.
Look at it. This wheel is big and then that wheel's small. Well, either that or the offsets are different. Look at this Silverado. Look, like the entire fender is just like destroyed. That's weird. It's like, I guess it's fiberglass or something. So, we got some food real quick from McDonald's. Yep. We're headed home after this. So, the Ford dealer just... Oh, it's a V6. Yeah, they just got rid of all the decent cars, I guess. Because remember, we were here a while ago looking at their cars. They had like multiple Mustangs and stuff. See, no one has anything good anymore. That was like the last in stock. Let's get a little launch here. We're gonna go up the road a little bit. Feels good. your head. Here we go, guys. I'm moving the car so we can get a banner. Let's go. Okay, we're doing a little bit of a cleaning procedure because these headlights are like pretty faded, and I think they're fogged up on the inside too, but the outside is pretty nasty, and I think the taillights are bad as well, but oh, the taillights aren't too bad. But anyways, this is the same procedure that I did for the Camaro gauge cluster when I got all scratched up. So I'll link that video in the description, but this is all you need. I'm not gonna go in depth on how we're doing it because it's just boring, but so here's the difference. I think you can obviously tell which one is polished. This is the polished one, and this is the unpolished one. So yeah, like this got everything on the surface off. Everything that you see is just like condensation stuff on the inside. And then this one is just like UV from the outside. Look at that. Look at it from the top angle when the sun's shining on it. That's ridiculous. Well, here I am on the side of the road. It has been, I believe, 3-4 days since I got this car, and the clutch just went out. Yep, I was trying to downshift, clutch just stuck in. Now it doesn't work. It's not springy anymore. It's like sticky, pretty weird. And so I'm gonna have to get this thing towed. Just like really dumb because I literally just bought it and the clutch felt fine. I don't know what happened. Well, here we are again. Got the TT back, but you gotta love when the shop doesn't tighten your lug nuts and 2 of them fall off. At long last, we have the TT back. It's up and running. Got the lug nuts tightened. Gonna have to get 2 new ones, but for now, got one missing from that. And I took one from here just so this one would be more stable. So everything's fine. New clutch. Shift's great. Clutch works perfectly. Goes into gear. Very, very expensive repair, but I mean, got the car back, so it's worth it. So we're out here in the car and it's night. We're gonna do a pull up here and then we're gonna do a pull over and we're gonna do an outro. Remember, the RPM gauge is 1,000 behind. So, got the clutch fixed. This thing is back in working order. Pretty awesome to have, like, actually have a car again. Also, pretty awesome car. Just really, really cool, fun car. We're definitely going to be doing more videos with this thing in the future. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching. Bye.